This is beautiful art. Yes. In today's class, we are going to learn how to draw panels for our comic book. Let's get started. You will need a centimeter ruler, a rubber, a sharpener, and a pencil. So if we take our centimeter ruler, then we count 7 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just going to mark that. Make sure the ruler is nice and straight. And we are going to draw a line across the page. Just like that. Okay. Again, we are going to count 7 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take our ruler. And draw a line across the page. We now need to add some vertical lines. So if we take our ruler, place it at the bottom of the first horizontal line, and we are going to count 5 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do a little mark. Slide the ruler across, count another 5 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure it's nice and straight. That's 1. That's 2. Panel 1, panel 2, panel 3. So depending on the story you are telling, you may want to go with 3 panels at the top, 1 in the middle, 1 at the bottom, or 3 at the bottom. The power is in your hands. It's your comic, it's your story. Feel free to do whatever you like. Let's say you want 2 panels instead of 1 or 3. How would I do this? I'm going to show you. Place it at the bottom of the horizontal line. We are going to count 7.5 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5, 7.5. So we have 3 at the top, 2 in the middle, maybe 1 at the bottom. You know, let's say I'm feeling creative and, I want to jazz it up a bit. We could add some triangular panels. Let me show you. We place our ruler at the bottom left corner of the panel to the top right corner of the panel. Always remember to press down on the ruler so it doesn't move about when you were drawing. Nice. So as you can see, panels can come in any shape or size. Square, round, triangular, narrow. You can divide the page in any way you like. You can, if you like, just have 3 panels, 3 panels, 3 panels. Or you could have 2 panels, 1 panel, 2 panels. So yeah, I think it's time for a tea break. Sippin' tea, sippin' tea, sippin' tea, sippin'. Sippin' tea, sippin' tea, sippin' tea, sippin'. I'm sippin' tea, sippin' tea, sippin' tea, sippin'. Chillin' in my yard, sippin' tea, sippin'. Going back to the basics is a great way to reconnect with our creative side. and spark new ideas. But not everyone will enjoy creating comic panels. That's why I'm excited to share with you these downloadable comic panels. Links in the description below. For personal use only, which means non-commercial and non-profit use. So, have fun and get inspired with these downloadable comic panels. That's all we have time for today. Don't forget to wash your hands. Tops and bottoms. Tops and bottoms. In between. In between. All around the fingers. All around the fingers. All around the fingers. Now they're clean. Tops and bottoms. Tops and bottoms. In between. All around the fingers, all around the fingers, all around the fingers. Now they're clean.